Selection of language paper. Selection stands for selection of topics, especially in question number 1 and question number 2 is of great importance. Choose that very essay with which you are very comfortable and you have all the scopes to write a valid, informative and proper construction. So, in this video we will discuss which topic to be chosen and which one to be discarded. We have total 5 topics in question number 1, and in question number 2 we have letters, we have 2 topics. In question number 1 out of 5 we have to write only one, while in question number 2 we have to write only 1 out of 2, either formal or informal letter. In essay part we have descriptive essay, we have narrative essay, we have argumentative essay, we have story writing as well as picture composition. So, choosing a valid one we can score good marks. So, here a little discussion, how to choose the valid one, how to choose the proper one which is easy to you or with which you are comfortable with. So, here in this particular video we will discuss question number 1 and 2 of our language paper. So, here we have a sample question paper and we will try solving this one out. This is 2011 and this is paper 1 for English. So, let us go through the questions as mentioned here. As you can see, question number 1, that time it was of 25 marks, presently it is of 20 marks, and the word limit before it was 350 to 400, now it is 300 to 350 words. So, these are the changes we have nowadays. Write a composition on any one of the following. Write a narrative composition based on reflection of events that are a part of your autobiography. So, it is written events, so it should not be one event but more than one, and since it is a narrative composition, so you have to present yourself as a character of your age, and secondly you have to mention more than one event. So, it will be intrusive narration since it is autobiography and narrative composition. Now, second one, we have to choose very confidently and very comfortably. Imagine your house is completely automated. Describe how you go about your house. Completely automated. So, this is descriptive essay, and here you have to add few of the imageries. Visual, auditory, and anything else you can add, just like kinesthetic. Now, see, dress codes can be enforced at school based on etiquette but not uniforms. So, dress code can be enforced at school on etiquette but not uniform. So, that means there should be uniform or not. Give your views either for or against the statement. So, this is, we have argumentative. Now, D, that we have, write a short story or a composition Based on the theme, it was a nightmare, a short story. So out of these four, you have to choose one. E. One more it is given there. So we'll not take this one. Study the picture given below. Write a story or description or an account of what the picture suggests to you. Your composition may be about the picture, or you can write a story also. So here is the picture that a man seeking oxygen, actually he is out of oxygen, he is seeking oxygen here, and he has taken the plant as oxygen cylinder. Now here we have two letters in question number 2 and we have explain a friend in the west mean western countries about the recipe of an Indian dish. And B, it is given your car has been stolen, write letter of complaint to the police. So this one, A or B, which one would you prefer? Here for format we have 2.5 and for formal we have format 3. Here in body we have 3 and here in body part, excuse me, there we don't have 3, here we have 2.5, here in body part we have 2, and here for the use of language, that is the standard of language, we have 5, here also 5. Now depends on your choice. Now format is 3, so obviously most of the student, most of the time we go for formal letter, because format we get half marks more here, and format, as we know, it is well known and it is knowledge based and it will be same every time, so it is a matter of half marks here. Further, I would like to tell you that choose that very one which one you are comfortable with. Out of these two, if I use my personal opinion, the second one is easier than the first one. Now coming back to the essay topics, as we saw, the narrative essay was very easy, extremely easy. Whether the second one, B, that was little harder. C is also little tougher than those A and B, and D, it is obviously very easy short story writing. There is no specific rule that writing argumentative essay will give you more marks, writing composition on narrative composition will give you less mark. There is no stereotype or such kind of rule. So you should go for that one with which you are comfortable with. Most of the time students leave that picture composition because it may not match the original content, the originality of the picture and the thinking of the writer. So most of the students keep that very particular topic, but we can go for that one too. And out of these three, you should make your personal choice. Try to write one, and here I will not provide any of my personal opinions that this one should be attempted, but we should be very careful that which essay I am comfortable with, I can introduce properly, conclude properly, and I will not get stuck up in the middle of the essay and waste a long time. So be careful, choose your essay carefully here as well as your letter. So go through this video if needed, write down these things which are mentioned here.